Hello and welcome back to Spanish Burst. In today's video, I bring you 10 expressions with the verb tener that are widely used and used all the time. They're also quite handy to know, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. So first one, tener frío, to be cold. For example, I'm cold would be tengo frío. So tener frío. Second one, tener calor, to be hot. So I'm hot will be tengo calor, which is not the same as like your hot like body, like you have a really nice body. That will be I'm hot will be estoy buena, or if it's a boy, estoy bueno. Third one, tener hambre, to be hungry. So you are hungry would be tú tienes hambre. So tener hambre. Number 4, tener sed, to be thirsty. So for example, he is thirsty would be él tiene sed. So tener sed. Número 5, number 5, tener sueño, to be sleepy. So for example, we are sleepy would be nosotros tenemos sueño. So tener sueño. Number 6, tener dolor de cabeza, to have a headache. These could be with anything. For example, stomachache would be tener dolor de estómago. So if something hurts, it's tener dolor de plus whatever it is. So this one's a really helpful one as well. To see an example, they have a headache. Ellos tienen dolor de cabeza. So tener dolor de cabeza. Number 7, tener prisa, to be in a rush. So for example, you're in a rush, in plural will be vosotros tenéis prisa. So tener prisa, to be in a rush. Number 8, tener miedo a or tener miedo de. So as an example, I am afraid of spiders would be tengo miedo a las arañas. Or for example, I'm afraid of the dark. Tengo miedo a la oscuridad. So, tener miedo de. Number 9, tener celos, to be jealous. So for example, Juan is jealous of Francisco would be Juan tiene celos de Francisco. So, tener celos. And number 10, tener cuidado, to be careful. So the example I've put on here is an imperative example. So this would be Marta, be careful, or be very careful. Would be Marta, ten mucho cuidado. So tener cuidado. Well, thank you very much for watching, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if there's anything you want to learn, or if you know other expressions with tener that I maybe haven't put in the video. If you want me to make more videos like this, please let me know, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.